There's today's job. It's a water and sewer line install. The water meter is down through there, so the water line kind of comes around here and then back up that way, just trying to stay out of these tree roots and everything. And then the sewer tie in. The riser was like 6 feet down, but it was also kind of angled over here, and we had cable TV, phone, electric, and then the gas was over here to go over. And it kind of runs up underneath this pile. 45s and then comes down the ditch beside the water line. We're kind of limited for space. This is that same house that I did my rough grade mowing video on. Now I'm back trying to get these in and get the yard and everything finished up. And then here's our clean out, and something new they started this past year was putting the tracer wire from here to the riser, which is kind of handy. And then this is like a check valve deal, so then it can't back up into the house and everything that they had. And then there's your clean out, because they want this house done Friday. So I've got to try to get all this junk cleaned up and get the yard. And then back here, just to kind of finish up the day while I got the excavator, I'm gonna come in here, and she wants to leave a lot of the brush and stuff back here, but I'm just gonna come in and try to rake out to the fence and snag some of this little stuff right there and make it where we can get some dirt and she can actually mow it. But as far as the other stuff that's up above here, we're gonna leave that for like a privacy barrier. But kind of all these vines and junk right here, I'm just gonna try to scratch out for today, because I'll be back with the loader tomorrow. Kind of finished getting it roughed in and hopefully get some dirt. We'll see. My guy that brings me dirt, they ran out in their field, and they're supposed to be at their new field Friday, he says, so we can maybe get dirt on Friday, which would be kind of tricky since they're wanting to close on Friday. But we'll just kind of have to excuse me, just roll with it and see what happens. Okay, so I leave here Monday. We got the sewer and everything in, got it kind of graded up. I got that back cleaned up. I had a pile, I think my pile was maybe just this little piece right here. I guess the concrete guys showed up yesterday and dig out the approach, pile the curb, all this dirt and everything up, and left our little Mustang here. And now I got 6 loads of dirt on the way. I'll be here in about 30 or 40 minutes, so I better get to work and get this crap moved. wanted to make a quick video. Finally got this all dirt all spread and prepped after waiting most of the afternoon excuse me, on the concrete guys to finish pouring the driveway. So I got it all prepped and hand raked out where I couldn't get the machine and everything at. Came out pretty good. It's still pretty powdery and stuff like that, but doesn't look too bad. Except now we got rain rolling in, so that's fantastic.